How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick, badass 71 Chevelle SS 454 triple black, done in a show quality Tuxedo Black with the white stripes. Tough car. See, the bumpers have all been re-chromed. Car's super slick down the sides. The original 454 has been replaced with a 502 430 horse. Super nice car, just pounds the ground. New vinyl top. It's a clean, all original panel car out of California. It was built in California originally. You see it, just super slick paint on the car. Got a set of drag stars on it. Again, this is a GM crate 502 that's been warmed up. Makes 430 to 450 horse. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. It's got the 400 turbo trans, got 12 bolt posi with 373 gear. It's got the F41 suspension package. Just a super slick car. Real nice. Interior's all been done in it. Headliner's nice and tight. Got all your factory seat belts. Been nicely outfitted with AutoMeter gauges. It's got a B&M ratchet shifter. Trunk's real clean, solid, nice. And I tell you, this thing just pounds the ground. It's got 3-inch Flowmaster exhaust all the way out the back. It's got all MSD ignition. Just a ground pounder. I tell you, this thing really gets it. Sounds good at 3-inch exhaust. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. We're here at our new location